All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Supcase sent over a nice host of cases for the S22 Ultra, and I believe there's some from the S22 in here, and it's just a lineup of their cases. Now, my phone is getting made, so I won't have my Ultra until next month. However, they did send, I do have some dummy units, so we'll try on some of these cases here and see what they put in the box. So the first one here is the S21 Ultra Unicorn Beetle Pro in purple. Looks like this is a clear one. Oh wow, this is clear. That's different. I gotta try that. And then they have a new color, camo back. Okay. And then here is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the S22. This is the green color. And then you have the S22 Ultra with the Edge Pro case. And then we have the S22 Plus Edge Pro, and there's an S-Tro for that one too as well. So let's crack these open. And again, I'm glad I got some dummy units, and we'll try these on. I know it's not the same as having the official phone, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna be the same. So this is the Edge Pro, and this is pretty sleek, man. All right. So then we're gonna peel this off here. All right. And I'll grab that unit. Some of you guys might not have seen the dummy units. Here they are. This is the small one. So put this in here. And then pop this on. You can see the case itself. This has like a metallic band around it. It's a clear back. You've got kind of rubber feet on the back side, so when you lay it down. Then you've got the cutouts for the buttons right here. So you can see it should be nice and tactile. These dummy units buttons do move, just so you know. So this is going to be a shock absorber case. You got a cutout for the bottom here on the port there. So let's peel this off. Well, let's get it under the bottom here. Looks like it came off with that. And then it goes on. You can see the buttons, the way it's lining up right there. And this goes on. So this is a nice kit. This is very form-fitting too, man. This should be really nice. The S22, the small one, is actually really nice, man. I kind of like this. So this is a case for the S22. Got that. Now let's see. This one is for the Plus. Okay. And again, if you're scrolling through the video, my phone is getting made. I didn't take one of the regular colors for myself. I opted to get mine made in a special color. So it takes a month. But gotta take care of Supcase, man. They take care of me. So let's get this off. Let's peel this off. And if you've never seen the Plus model, here it is. They just sent over a black one here. And again, same case, just for the bigger size. These cases will work with wireless charging, if you're wondering, because it's got a plastic back on it. So look at that right there. You can see how it is. Now these cases have a nice lip around it for front protection and rear protection. There's like some feet or something on both sides, and it really goes deep down in there. So screen protectors, you know what I'm saying? The way I feel about screen protectors is, you know, I normally would put my own tempered glass on there, and I actually do have one. So we'll circle back around to that. But here's the Ultra. This is going to be the Samsung's probably top selling phone, the Ultra. So let's peel this off here. Get this peeled out of here. Yeah, the Ultra feels good. I checked out the dummy unit, so I know the size of it and everything compared to my Pixel 6 Pro. And you know, it's a pretty good sized phone. It's not too big. It's got a 6.8 inch display. So you'll see it here in just a second. Here's the dummy unit that's for the Ultra. And it just slides in. So the Ultra isn't as big as what a person might think. So the purpose of this video is to try these on, to show you how your phone is going to look once you get it on, because as you can see, there are no units out to us regular folks. So you know, you got all the press kits for all the people that got press kits. You know, this is how we do it for now until mine comes in that I purchase. So for the Ultra, it's a little bit different. It looks really good. I mean, I like how this looks. It's got like this metallic, because this phone has a curved screen, and so it kind of wraps around. And you got your S Pen port out on the back. This is nothing more than a Galaxy Note, man. I don't know why Samsung's naming it that way, but you can see the cutoff of the camera. It's different for this one. This phone is really thin, but you can see the cutout on the cameras there for them. And you can see the size of the devices, man. Really, really nice. The Ultra is a lot thinner than, even though it's 8.8 or something like that. It's a lot thinner and feels really good in the hand, but this case is gonna feel really good on it. Lots of grip on the back here, and again, flat top and bottom, and ports and everything are cut out. So let's try on some of their other cases here. Let's get this Unicorn Beetle. This is the S22. So this is basically the small one. This is, all right, it's Supcase, you already know what it is with the green. You already know what it is. Gotta have the green. Gotta have the green. It's really nice. So you peel these cases off by just gripping the corner there. That's how you do it. And you can pop it out. So when you get your phone, just make sure that's how you adjust your case when you're taking it in and out. Now, this case right here, this is the screenless one, which is really nice because people want to use their own screen protectors nowadays, and I think that's real important. So this just peels apart right here. You get that corner. This isn't anything new, and then you just pop this frame on your phone. This green is so beautiful, man. Oh my gosh, you gotta already know. The thing about these cases are, a small phone like this works great with a case like this because, you know, it stays compact. And you still get a nice, I mean, this is a 6-inch display. You remember, imagine us calling 6-inch displays small now. Isn't that crazy? When people first had the Galaxy Note, they were like, whoa, this is huge. And it was 5.7. But with the elongated 21:9 or 20:9 and not 16:9, it makes it so much better in the hand. And this is absolutely beautiful. You can see the color here. Just fantastic. Nice deep recess on the camera there. It's got the big cutout there for the LED flash. As you can see, I opened up the kickstand. It's going to work there. And you've got some subtle branding here. This is one of my favorite cases from them. And textured power button a little bit there. This is going to be really nice. This is so beautiful. I might just grab an S22 just so I can swap out from the big boy. Now it does have this real protection here. This thing is really, really, really strong, man. Belt clip. I don't use belt clips, but this one is really strong. If you're working in an area where you don't want to damage your phone and you still want to have it protected, this is the way to go. So the flap is covering the charging port down here, and then the microphone is open there, and the speaker is open right there, and then you got a microphone open over here. So wow, that is just beautiful. Now we're just gonna try on one of these cases here. I'll show them to you, but wow, these are yeah, this camel one is really nice. Really nice. Really nice. I like this. Let's take them all out here. Let's see. This clear one though, wow. This has got to be the dopest. This is crazy. I'm sounding like a 20-year-old. This is dope. Look at this clear one. Wow. So depending on what color phone you got, ooh, I can't wait to show you which one I got. But I'll see you in March, because that's when it actually is going to be here, supposedly. We should see. Hopefully it doesn't get delayed or anything. So here is the purple for the Plus. And we're going to put these on. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. So let's just go ahead and get this one on here for you. The Ultra. I'm going to put on this clear one because that's just super eclectic, and I'm glad they did a clear one. That's just a beautiful thing. This new Edge Plus case right here, this is a really nice thing. I like the clear back on it. I like it. So let's get this phone out, or this dummy unit out. And we'll get these. I'll have links to these in the description to where you can grab yours. Obviously, you know where to go. So let's put on this purple one. Again, it goes in just like the other cases. And you see how it goes. Put the frame on, front, drop your phone in, and now you have like superior protection. and just make sure all the cutouts are, and even this S22 Plus is a good size, man. It's pretty much, they kind of got these in the same boat, but man, I would either have to have this one and a tablet, or just, you know, the Ultra. All these sizes are great. Actually, I'm in awe of them, because they're all like, they've got a size phone for everyone out there, and I think that's important. So this also comes with a kickstand, as you can see here. Really nice. You got drop protection, and the S22s are built the absolute same. They're just different sizes. Now here's where you get into one of the most eclectic cases I have ever seen. This is really interesting. Really interesting. This is nice, man. I'm so happy they did a clear frame, because when you see the color of my phone, you're gonna say, oh, that looks great, because I will follow up with some of these with you after using them for a while. So anyway, for now, we got this dummy unit. You can see how it's gonna look on the front of your phone, because everybody's phone is gonna be that color on the front. And wow, this is nice. I didn't buy any of the Samsung official cases this year, but because I knew I would get so many cases in. This is crazy, folks. This is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Got the honeycomb pattern showing through right here. It's like a matte. This is all matte. This is gonna look great with my phone. Oh wow. You can also use it like this too, for your video calls or whatever. You've got lip protection. You've got quick access to your pen down there. And again, this is covered, and the microphone hole is open. These flaps though, I don't like. Gotta get rid of these, folks. But anyway, you got access there. And since this being a curved display, you know, this case is a little bit wider, because this phone is a little bit wider than these. But overall, man, this is a beautiful looking, man, this is beautiful. Looks good. That just looks great. Now here's another new one here, this camo. At least I've never seen the camo back. Really, really nice, man. Really nice. So that's the case lineup from Supcase. Really, really impressive case lineup. I think they've done a great job as usual. This new clear color, folks, I'm going to go ahead and recommend that one right now. So before you get your phone, order, if you have the Ultra, or if you get this clear one, I didn't check the link yet, but if the clear is available in any of these colors, folks, it looks so much better in person than you might think. Like, I don't know how it comes across on video, but this is very nice, and I can't wait to put it on my phone, my actual phone, when it gets here next month. But wow, yeah, really, really nice. Really, really nice. I think you guys are gonna be happy to get your hands on that clear one right there. So all sizes available for everyone. What can I say? This is a good look by Supcase. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Get those links down below and start ordering your cases before you get them. Before you get your phone, order your cases. All right, take care.